Today we are going to talk about Netwatch. So why we need Netwatch? Netwatch actually we use for monitoring purpose. Sometimes you can get information about from your client or from your user. They told you I'm facing problem at midnight. The server may be going to down and automatically up within 5 minutes. But how we monitor it, right? So that you can configure Netwatch and then you can check actually if the router or any PC reboot or like that, then it will give you a log or it will send an SMS to your mobile, it send an email. Those things you can configure in Netwatch. So how we can configure Netwatch? Let's see. There is a tools and there is a Netwatch. Yeah. Then go to the plus, then there is a host IP, which actually router or PC you want to monitor, right? This IP you should input here. Then there is up and down. Up actually when the server will be up, then what type of message do you want? And down, that means when the server will be down, what type of message do you want to from them. So now we are going to check actually our uplink. Like we can give here Google DNS, right? Then we can check actually is it working or not. 8.8.8, like then up and down you should follow rules. This is very simple. Like that you should write like that, log error 1 link is up. Just you can write here down. Then apply to OK. Up, right? And you can set as well as here interval time. There is 1 minute. Now we can see the status is up, right? Because our everything's are working good here, so no problem. But if we say actually our uplink is down, I'm just unplugging our uplink. Let's see what happened. Now you can see the status is down, right? So you can send the log as well as email or your mobile. I'm just plugging again our uplink. Let's see what is the status happen. It will takes highest 1 minute because our interval time is 1 minute. Yes, now the status is up, right? You can check from log here as well as, yes, the link is up, right? So those link is down, so those log you can send to your email as well as. Thank you for watching.